So, how do it go? It's like 11:42 on this Friday morning of February the 19th. Yeah, we had school today, but guess what? I didn't go, so I could stay home and make videos. Videos. No, I just lied. Sorry. But, yeah, let's make a video. Hold on, I'll be right back. I think someone's here. Well, I guess no one's here. But, anywho, let's get this party started, bitch. Hey, that's my cousin texting me telling me that she's on her way to come get me so I can go to 6th period. Maybe just 7th period. We only have 7 periods today. Talking too much, but here we go. No.
Ladies.
Good song.
Bounce that big whack juicy. Bounce that big whack juicy. Bounce that big whack. Bounce that big whack. Bounce that. Bounce that. Bounce that. Bounce that. Boom 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 down. 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 Boom 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 down.
Let me see your booty bounce, booty bounce, booty bounce. Let me see your booty bounce, booty bounce, booty bounce. Let me see your booty bounce, booty bounce, booty bounce. Let me see your booty do the bubble, baby. Let me see your booty bounce, booty bounce, booty bounce. Let me see your booty bounce, booty bounce, booty bounce. Let me see
That's
your
a workout.
booty bounce, booty bounce. Let me see your booty do the bubble, baby. Booty bounce.
I am out. Have to get back dressed to school. Let's go do my hair. My cousin is probably around the corner. Let's see. Yeah, she's probably around the corner. So, nice meeting you. My freaking leg hurt. Oh, stop. Diamonds out. Oh, I'm shabby.